Alright, what's up guys, it's Suttuxiiii with a quick video blog, and today I got my new camera, or I got it yesterday, but today was the first day that I actually used it. And I took a couple of pics from landscape pics from our front yard, and we actually went fishing with my big brother, and I put a couple of pics to the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And I actually really enjoy using this camera. I love the quality, and it's super easy to use, and yeah, you can really expect me to make a lot more video blogs that I used to make, because now I finally have a great camera to film the video blogs with. But anyways, this was just a quick little update video, and yeah, we're gonna go fishing real soon again, or at least I am gonna go, and I'm definitely gonna take a video and take a couple of pics from there. But I really do hope you guys enjoy the pictures that I put in the end of the video. But anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys later. Peace.
We were traveling